Yeah, what's up, everybody? It's Jason Will keep it real. FOREX King back for another weekly Forex forecast for the week of November 8th to November 13th. So Sunday to Friday. But let's look at Monday and see what's happening for the week. So Monday, you can see there's like high impact news for GP pair. The BOE Bailey speaks, so expect to see some movements with that pair throughout the day. Not too much going on. There's a lot of low impact news events for Monday. Now Tuesday, there's a lot of low impact. There's a lot of low impact news events, and then during like A's in session, there's a lot of news for the New Zealand dollar. Deals with a lot of cash rates, monetary policy statements. So expect to see a lot of movements if you trade the New Zealand dollar pair on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, there's bank holidays, and the bank holiday is going to be Veterans Day, so the market probably be slow if you trade USD pairs. Also, the Canadian pair, French pair, the euro. It's going to be a bank holiday, so probably Wednesday the market is probably not going to be very volatile because the bank's pushing markets, so there's not going to be a lot of volatility pushing the market. And then Thursday, you can see there's a lot of GBP news events throughout London session. In the US, we have like the core CPI, M&M news events, as well as the Fed Chair Power speak. So expect to see some movements during like New York session. And then Friday, nothing too crazy. Still like news events throughout New York session that should impact the market. And that's pretty much for this week. I know last week it was election, and right now it's still going. It looks like Biden's about to become the president because he's up right now with the most electoral college votes. So the market was moving due to a lot of speculation and the results of the election. And this week coming up, the election should be finalized, and the president should definitely be determined. So then the market will be correcting and moving due to all the new changes. So now look at the chart. Let's look at GBP USD. So for this pair, as you see, last week we ended pretty much on an uptrend testing this area of resistance. So this week, the dollar last week the dollar was pretty weak. Therefore, the market shot up. So I do see the dollar still being weak. I do see the market correcting and still coming back up, creating higher highs for the week. If it breaks this area of resistance and closes above it. But if it doesn't and it comes down and breaks this area of support, then we can expect a downtrend retracement, testing this area of support. And if it breaks this area of support, we going down to the next area of support. So that's what I see for this upcoming week. So just pay attention to these areas of support and resistance. They're like benchmarks for where the market should be going. And JPY, as you can see, there's a lot of consolidation, I would say. So I would say for this upcoming week, due to the news events, bank holidays, and all that happening, I do see this pair potentially coming back up to test the zone area and its areas of resistance. So that's what I see for this week. And then US 30, the Dow Jones. So the Dow is good due to the market reacting to assuming Biden as the president. So I do see the market continue to push up during this time period. So I do see us creating higher highs because right now the market is assuming Biden won right now. And now AUD USD. So right now the dollar's weak. So I do see this pair, worst case, retraces down before it shoots back up. But if not, since this pair doesn't really retrace too much, I do see the pair continue back up to test this area. I know in this past area we had a lot of noise here. So this area there might be some noise when it tests this area before it shoots back up. And now gold. So gold's been on an uptrend. So the dollar's weak. A lot of people buying gold. So I do see gold continue to going up, probably to $20 this week. I do see it retrace back down before it shoots back up. It might test this area. Worst case, it might come back down and test this area before it shoots back up. So that's pretty much the market recap for this week coming up. As you see, investing.com, you can see what's going on with the news events. Right now, Biden polls for U.S. election win as his lead over Trump grows. He almost has 270 electoral college votes, so he's right there. He's real close to be electing president, so most likely he probably will be. I know Trump doesn't want to lead office, but it's a different story. So everybody's waiting, and the market's reacting to the decision. And the whole coronavirus, they're still working on the vaccines. I know like there might be potentially more shutdowns maybe next year due to the virus spreading a lot in the U.S. So U.S. daily coronavirus cases exceeded 129,000, third day over 100,000. So this ain't good. So maybe the new president might be taken more serious, and this will affect the market if they do more shutdowns. So that's pretty much it. This week definitely trade what you see, know what you think. And Wednesday the market should be pretty light because it's a holiday, and that's pretty much it. Right now the dollar is weak, so the US dollar index weak. So therefore, if you're a long-term trader, it's best to focus on buy opportunities for AUD USD, and you should be all right. And the Dow definitely had a great last week. So this week I do see it potentially creating higher highs. So that's pretty much it. Like, come subscribe. Let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.